Here is a description of the problem with the power running boards with the motors that I purchased on eBay. The passenger side running board was working for the first 2 to 3 days that the motors were installed. This is the motor that you guys sold me. There. When you open up the door, nothing happens. There's no movement at all from the motor on that side. On this side, as you can see, this is the motor that I purchased from you here. On the inside of the motor, there is a screw that goes on the other side here that fell out and was located in the driveway right here. I open the door. You can hear the motor turning, but it does not work. And the screw that fell out is this one here. I'm taking this into the garage today to basically have them determine whether it is a motor issue on the passenger side or if it is a problem with the electronics of the car, which I don't think it is. I hope this is enough information to let you know what is going on with the car. Oh, I did try replacing the screw back into the area where it goes, and as you can see, the screw itself is damaged, which most likely is why this thing broke.